Gertejuristili mamboye. Ne lezeni wadi dinala ngazuki Disney Parki. Ene park niwa dere rwa antendere dinalwa. Ta ngazuzo kharukodla na park niwa dan zudo kosi nimajina judu ni ngazuki lo saya ya power bandi ni nisumjuna ya gopedo shimbaya lo mena kadetuta. Guys, this is Disneyland Park number 2. It is outside, so I will take you all inside along with me. So you guys come on. So enjoy with me. So this is the way to go inside. So you guys come on, join with me. You will feel the adventure of Disneyland. Now we are going inside to see the adventure of Disneyland. It's so beautiful. So here we have to swipe our card to enter this. Otherwise outside we have not to pay. Okay, come on, let's go inside and enjoy. 따탄다 딜라미 비망고 좀 사샤 디테모 추정하고 고주불라서 먼저 지루 대샤 지선 저만 큐 추정하라 따발나 야보레 at 5 o'clock. So we are a little bit late, but I will show you each and every. So here is telling the players of those to do. This one is street show, so all players are playing their role. So here Aladdin group are coming. So literally there is totally different feelings when we are seeing live and we are seeing in movie. So we are saying everything in life, so it is so pleasant and so pleased. So I'm very thankful to my brother and brother's girlfriend. So they took me this place as a birthday gift. I'm really fortunate to visit this place. This is our dream place. Thank you so much. So you guys enjoy. So Park 1, they are showing this kind of studio in Park 1. So here they are showing their creatures, and Part 2 is a time to play with them. So we are going to play different kind of games, so you people can see. Now we are about to finish our street show. So you guys, how is it? Is it good or what? So now finish, all people are lined after them. So many people. So this time we forgot also COVID, so without mask. So people are going here and there, enjoying their life as we don't have tomorrow. This is very special, very famous. This is called Casta. So inside full of game. So you excited to see my third part. So this is second part. Third part is coming soon. It will coming with light, so you can enjoy. here, from starting from here till everywhere, there is a place to enjoy, place to play, for fun. But we have to wait so long. Can you see all people are in the queue? So we have to wait 4 to 5 minutes at least. So that's why it's very difficult. But it's very fantastic and enjoying. So adorable. So if people will like it, it's a worth to pay. I never feel regret to pay. We are riding horse, so we have become like it again. That kid is very memorable one and interesting, unforgettable one. Thank you all. Park is Curious Park, so we have to see where we are. It's a bit complicated. But it is a konyopodo jore kran kawa kasa tsega dore kran rosa nonara ni pinde lamba kayore santilishina me azurura en kran ki gegan sto di lamba dore 내가 그냥 먹고 싶은 거 앞에 수술로 들으려고 그래. 장도 상마 그렇게 좀 그래. That is our destination, so we have to reach out there. Anyhow, we have to reach out there without confuse. So that is called that this is Curious again. Now we are about to reach. We are following this man. Oh, finally we got it. We got it. Thank you, gentlemen. In this mirror, we are seeing very fat. Oh my god, very fat. Wow, we from this, we are saying everything very beautiful. Oh my gosh, wow. Backside there's a boarding and train. Oh, so many. Oh wow. It's really like a fairy tale. So now we are in the paradise. stop here, so I will show you next. See you soon. It's time to ride the boat, but it's very strange that boat is we can't stop, so it is automatic, so we have to catch a boat by ourselves without any fail. So can you see deep inside? Everything is already set. Here we are going in board, so you guys come on. Who's that? Again, he came with us. He is also vlogger. That's great. Welcome. Here snow side is so cold, weather also change, so it is so beautiful seeing them at it. It's like very cold, but it's not cold, it's very hot outside. now we are going to write trend. Now we are going to end, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe.